You may ask, what the heck is Pronar Multifit? What its purpose? How to expand its full potential? And perhaps, what is the meaning of life? For the last question, I can't help you. I'm not an oracle. For remaining ones, answers can be found in today's episode of How Does It Roll? Let's begin. Pronar Multifit is our original design. It was created and developed mainly for tractors and sprayers. The wheel itself consists of three parts: rim, disc and adapter. Combination of elements allows up to 16 different offsets. When convex part of disc is faced outside, the track of the wheel equals 1400 mm. When the convex part faces inside, it equals 1800 mm. But that's not all of it. Pronar Multifit can be also used with so-called spacers. This spacer is a cylinder made out of steel that attaches to the bolt pattern of the wheel. The first option is to enhance the track of the wheels by mounting the spacer between the machine and the wheel. It allows you to get 2250 mm of track of wheels. The second option is to connect two wheels together to create so-called dual wheels. Dual multifits are used mainly in row crop applications for increased pulling power and flotation for tractors, self-propelled sprayers and other equipment. That's it for today. If you have any more questions regarding Pronar Multifit, do not hesitate to contact us. See you next time.
Pronar Wheels. We drive your business.